Binzhou Dongli Stainless Steel Products Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise specializing in the production, processing, and surface treatment of stainless steel precision castings. Our main products include Camlock couplings, threaded pipe fittings, auto parts, ball valves, rigging, and various kinds of industrial coupling and accessories. We ensure the perfect interior and exterior quality with the Silicasol lost wax casting technology, high-precision CNC lathe, and equipped with advanced spectrometer, scrollometer, metallographic microscope, and other equipment. The products can be produced by the material stainless steel, plain carbon steels, structural alloy steel, aluminum alloy, brass, and so on. Our company has a professional R&D team and complete quality control capabilities. We can also provide drawings, tooling design, mold design, and development, and other technical support according to customer requirement. Pre-furnace spectrum analysis, casting mechanical property testing, non-destructive testing, heat treatment, hardness testing, metallographic analysis, 3D coordinate measurement of workpiece and other monitoring methods provide necessary hardware support for ensuring product quality. At the same time, the company also established a perfect quality control system and passed ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System certification. Our company, adhering to the concept of quality first, customer first, sincerely welcome your visit, guidance, and business negotiation. Binzhou Dongli Stainless Steel Products Company Limited is looking forward to working with you to create brilliant.